subscribe with notifications on.
All right, today we have some people here today. Guys, we have some people that want to ask.
So when you, what if?
African guys, they know how to hustle.
Okay, can I give you a mic?
Yeah, I can
Okay. You're saying what is the difference between South Africans and other African guys? What is the difference again?
Yeah, the difference between how to find money. Because every girl and every lady needs to be
Taken care of.
Yeah, you must take care of her. So you can't take care of her if you don't have money. You might be smart, you might be clever, but if you don't have money, it's all about money.
Oh, okay.
So us, we can hustle and we try by all means we have something in the pocket.
Okay, thank you so much. Is there any South African here, guys? Hello? South African, please come closer.
Izan Machita.
Please
Izan
come
Machita.
closer.
Wanna hear your views? Wanna hear your views?
Please
Zogan?
come closer. Wanna put here from?
Yeah, I mean, I'm from Zimbabwe.
From Zim.
Oh, from Zim.
Okay, come guys, please.
Let's go to them.
Okay, I'll go to them.
Yeah.
Go to them.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your views, sir.
Okay.
Anyone else?
My view point is like different of the matter of this. As Zimbabwean guys or Malawian guys,
Yeah.
they need to work and take care of a lady.
Yeah.
So if you stay in location, don't go to work, drinking every day, you can't afford a woman. But if you go to work, come back, feed the children, that's the thing. So
Yeah.
other people, they are jealous of that. You go to work, you come back with something in the pocket. You can't feed the children with a beer, but you have to feed with money. So if you have beer, no woman. Thank you.
Thank
Exactly.
you so much.
You know,
And
you know-
you are from?
I'm from Malawi.
You from Malawi? Your name is?
Adresha.
So my brother, so what you're trying to say is that you are saying South African men are lazy. They don't want to work. They sit at home.
Some of them. Yeah.
Some of them.
Some of them, they want to sit at the corner, ask him for 2 rand. You can't feed the woman with my 2 rand. I have to go to work.
Exactly.
Bring your 2 rand to support your woman. Ask me, I go to work, come back. You ask me 2 rand. You can't support your woman.
Exactly. So that's I think that's the problem because of,
But you tell me something. Have you met up with any girl in South Africa? Already?
Sometimes, yeah.
Oh, okay. But what if you were to meet up a girl who already have a baby with someone else and
Sometimes that's a problem. If I met a South African woman with a lady, but that guy is still there behind. So he's got jealousy for this lady, treat nicely.
you treat the child also?
Proud
and
the child nicely.
Yeah.
But that guy, he said, umuntu wangu, umuntu wangu. So,
Thank you so much.
no, you summed it up nicely, my man. You know, you put it nicely because we have a problem in South Africa because really we have a problem because most South Africans are actually complaining about the foreigners who are coming from other countries, and they say I don't know, and also I don't understand why they call them foreigners because we are all Africans. Exactly, we are all black, we are all Africans.
Why don't we call those white people?
White people, when they come to South Africa, we don't call them foreigners. Why?
Why?
Exactly. Why only us black people we're calling each other foreigners and stuff like that?
But we are neighborhood. Those guys are coming from very far, but we don't even talk.
Call them exactly. You don't even abuse them. They don't abuse them.
Because they have money.
You see, it's a problem, my man. Aye, my man, really. Alright, let me hear this guy.
Yeah, to make sure that they make money.
And
Yeah.
those people, local people here in South Africa, you see, like yesterday it was Sunday, they were drinking beer, but still today it's Monday. Instead of wake up early in the morning looking for something to take care of their children, they are just looking for something, drinking
Exactly.
for babalas. You
Yo,
know? So
yo.
you can't feed your children with beer, you can't feed your family with beer.
You know what, ne? The other thing, ne? I heard some people complaining on my comments saying, why are you wrapping us all up with this? With this saying all South Africans. We're not saying all South Africans, right? We're talking about who we know, what we know. We're talking about what is happening around us. We're not talking about something that we don't know. We're talking about what we know, what is happening currently around us, right? We're talking out of experience.
In our society.
You understand? We're talking about what is happening around us. So guys, don't be offended about us.
They mustn't be offended. I know, actually, about us, you know.
So guys, don't be offended about this topic, because we are not talking about you. We are talking about what we know around us, what is happening currently around us. If someone were to ask you about South Africa, then obviously you're going to talk about the South Africa you know. So we are talking about the South Africa we know. Hence we are going around interviewing people is because of they are talking about the South Africa they know. We are talking about the South Africa we know. So don't feel offended just because you're South African, you are on this video, seeing this channel, or seeing what we're talking about, and you get offended because you're South African. Say, you're wrapping us all up with this. No. We are talking about the South Africa we know.
But now, can I ask a question? You know, it's a good thing you came to the video.
Yeah.
Can I ask a question? You know,
Yeah.
What do you think is the problem? Why these guys are complaining? Why is in most of our videos, especially most South Africans, they come with silly comments, they comment, they are angry, and all those type of things. What do you think? What is it? Is what because
no, I think personally, as a South African, I think what we see is not what they see. It's not around them. So for us, fortunately, it's around us. It's happening around us. Since we are talking about it and we are feeling free to even talk about it, we just feel free to talk about it because it's happening around us.
Exactly.
So guys, don't feel offended. You're a South African and then you don't see this around you. You may be in other places that in South Africa that these things are not happening, but where we are is happening. So we have to talk about it.
And also, I had another question. You know, yesterday, you know, I was asking someone, my brother, tell me something. Are you married?
Yes, of course.
Are you married? But if you are not married, if you were to get married to a...
If you were to choose which country to marry from, which one would you choose?
If you are not married.
If I were not married, probably I can't choose here in South Africa. Because
why?
Already our cultures are totally different. And that will cause a lot of obstructions in life. You see, on the other time, they by our country, they don't accept it for the lady to open to wear the short skirts and other stuff, or to wearing naked clothes. You see, so those will cause a lot of obstructions in life. So probably I can't say I can if I were not married I can marry here in South Africa.
All right, let's hear my brother. For sure, my brother's got a question.
Okay, what you just said right now, I think South Africans who are wearing miniskirts and all those short stuff is South Africans who are not married. Because South Africans, as a South African myself, I know I used to dress up like that when I was not married.
Yeah, but
now that I'm married, I don't try.
But look, on the other side of a coin, you see, there by our country, our cultures cannot allow a lady or other kids to drink beer.
I'm talking for you guys.
Yes, or other young kids to drink beer. But here in South Africa, a married woman, not married woman, old magogo and other stuff, they're all drinking beer. You see, so by our culture, we cannot even allow that for a lady to drink beer each and every day.
So are you saying in your country, women are not allowed to drink?
Not all South Africans.
We allowed, but not like a married woman. You see, they allowed women to drink, but not a married woman.
Maybe you have seen that. You understand? I'm not gonna say it's not like that. You have seen that around you happening. But as a South African myself, there will be those other people who do such thing, but it doesn't mean that all South Africans are like that.
Yeah, but not
but
all of
like I said, guys, we are speaking about out of experience, about things we have seen happening around us.
Okay.
No, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. It was so nice. It was nice.
Behind the camera.
Thank you so much.
I'll ask you behind the camera. this thing is put in social media. So those people, they see us location, they say that this guy was talking